Hi, Pre-Threes. I hope that everybody is doing well and that everyone is healthy and is able to learn some new stuff while we've been away. Um, and also to be creative. Find the time to be creative. So, since I've been home, I've been using some things, but they're all things that I can save and make artwork from. So, for example, I've got some yogurt cups that I could use, or some toilet paper rolls, or even some styrofoam. Okay. Today, what I wanted to do is show you how I use these recycled materials to make things like vehicles or race cars. So I did a little research and I found on the website littlepinchofperfect.com some examples of these recycled race cars. And you can see I've just used a bit of toilet paper roll and these are lids from Gatorade bottles, and then I used some toothpicks and some paint, and that's all I needed. So let's get started, and I'll show you how I made it. Okay, everybody, I hope that you have fun making your vehicles, and I would love to see them. Please photograph them and post them on Blooms, and enjoy and have fun.